In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Google Slides. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, incorporating videos can really bring your slides to life. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step, helping you seamlessly integrate videos into your presentation in just a few minutes. First things first, we need to head over to Google Slides. To do that, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for it through Google's search engine. Once you're there, the next step is crucial. You'll need to sign into your Google account. This is where your Google credentials come into play, so make sure you're using the right account, especially if you have multiple accounts. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see all your recent slides, along with an option to start a new presentation. For our task today, we need to create a new blank presentation. On the Google Slides homepage, look for the option that says Blank Presentation and click on it. This will open a fresh new canvas for you to start working on your masterpiece. Now that you have your new presentation open, it's time to begin the process of adding a video. Start by looking for the menu bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll see various options like File, Edit, View, and so forth. For this task, click on the option that says Insert. Clicking on Insert will trigger a drop-down menu with several choices. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Video. Click on Video to move forward. This is where you get to decide which video you'd like to include in your presentation. Google Slides offers you multiple ways to do this, giving you the flexibility to find the video that best suits your needs. Whether you want to embed a video from YouTube or upload it directly from your computer's storage, the choice is yours. At this point, you can search for a video using YouTube's search bar, paste a video link directly if you have one on hand, or upload a video from your Google Drive. Simply pick whichever is most convenient and press Select. The video will then be inserted into your slide, where you can resize and reposition it as needed to fit your presentation's layout. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Google Slides presentation. Now you can make your presentations more engaging and dynamic. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with these steps to get comfortable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.